All right, so if you're here, you want to know how to fill this bed that you've just built for cheap. If you have a 4x4 bed or a 2x2 bed, you might just think it's easier to get the bags of potting soil from Walmart or from your local nursery, and that would be totally okay. It's pre-made and it's ready to go. $8, $9 a bag, and for a 2x2 bed, you might need 2 bags. If you're building a 4x4 bed or maybe a 4x8, something bigger, then you might want a more cost-efficient way of doing it. So what I did was I bought a half a ton full of compost from my local landfill. So that was $4, and that was way cheaper than going to Walmart and buying 10 bags at $4. I bought a bag of peat moss from Tyson's. I think it was about 11 bucks. So my mix includes compost, peat moss, or vermiculite. This white stuff is important. It just adds holes in your soil so that your soil can get air. The peat moss is important to make your soil fluffy and easy to work with so that the roots can dig in deep. And the compost provides nutrients. So that's an important mix if you're growing out of a raised bed. If you're growing in a raised bed, do not get the bags of garden soil or topsoil. Those contain no nutrients and they're deeply compacted soil. All right, if you got your bed full and you're wondering what you should plant next and how you should plant it, because it definitely matters, watch the next video, Square Foot Gardening. Really cool method on how to get the most out of your tiny space.